Hey people, so now today I'll give you a quick walk around of this beautiful laptop with me. So this is HP EliteBook. The model number is 840G6. This is a very beautiful laptop that HP is providing to users. One of the best in the line. Okay, so the whole unit is made up of metal. The front and the back of the laptop looks quite premium and is of top-notch quality. Okay, here is the HP branding. It's a shiny and I guess semi-glass or some shining material they have used to make this. There are few stickers that I have used on this laptop. Okay, I'm just opening it up. So this unit comes with 16 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. So SSD nowadays is very trending, and yeah, it increase the PC speed obviously. So machine is powered by Intel Core i5 8 Gen V Pro processor, and I'm booting it up. Okay, so this laptop comes with backlit keyboard. So the level of light on keyboard can be increased, decreased, or turned off using this button. One very important feature that I'll tell you what it is: protected by HP Surestart. So HP Surestart is a feature, biosecurity feature that HP company is providing for their laptops. I have seen this in EliteBooks only. So what HP Surestart does, it checks the integrity of BIOS system every time the computer boots up, and if there is any kind of tampering or malfunctioning found in the BIOS, the HP device gets boot up with a fresh copy of BIOS, and that process is completely automatic. Uh, no human intervention is required for this. So talking more about this, okay, yeah, one thing that I missed is, okay, the speaker that comes with this system is Bang Olufsen. It's a very premium speaker used in this machine. The audio output is very premium, and you'll love it for like watching movies and maybe streaming YouTube videos. Okay, closing it down. So there are three basic indicators for charging uh, and standby, and here it is, the charging socket. If you can see, one more feature that makes it more premium is the smart card slot. So many organizations, the companies that provide this laptop, uh, provide their user with a smart card which is used to log in the computer. So this laptop is coming with 14-inch screen obviously, and the price in Indian market is something around 1 lakh 1000 or 2000. You can get this laptop for this price. And about the quality, it is very robust. It's not like it will get dropped and it will not break down. So there is nothing like that. This is not made up of tempered glass or something. The quality wise, it is very robust. I have used it on standby mode for 48 and more hours, so there is no issue with this. No heating issue, nothing. Everything is very cool with this laptop. And yeah, performance wise, it is very fast. And if you are doing some like important work, some development work, or if you are in some heavy in like engage in some heavy IT related tasks, this can be a very perfect choice for you. Obviously, if you are purchasing it, and if the company is giving this machine to you, this is one of the finest. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for now. Maybe I'll show you some other cool gadgets if I get one. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.